There are two meanings to the word like. So the first meaning is this. Hey, where is it? This is like, okay? I like you. Hello students. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Alvin and I'm a maths teacher currently teaching in Malaysia. So today we're gonna learn algebraic expression. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, example 1, algebraic expression and algebraic equation, okay? So which of these are algebraic expressions? So I gave you 5 examples for you to see. Now the very first clue I can tell you is try to find the equal sign. If you don't have the equal sign, then that is expression, okay? So the first one, A, I cannot see any equal sign, then that is expression, okay? So this is expression, algebraic expression. Alright, let's look at B. So x squared plus 3x minus 7, I don't see any equal sign, then that is expression again. Alright, so this is expression. Now let's look at C. X squared equals to 4. So the moment you see the equal sign like this, then this is called algebraic equation, okay? So this is actually equation, not expression. So let me write equation. Okay, let's look at D. P minus 4, I don't see any equal sign, so this is expression one more time. Okay, so this is expression. Last one, alright? So P minus 4 equals to 8. I can see the equal sign, then it is algebraic equation, right? So this is algebraic equation. Cool. This is example 1, okay? So that's the answer for you. Make sure you know how to see algebraic expression, okay? Because we'll be learning how to simplify them very soon. Follow the class, okay? Okay, example 2. Like terms and unlike terms. There are two meanings to the word like. So the first meaning is this. Hey, where is it? This is like, okay? I like you. So the second meaning to the word like is this. Hey, you look like BTS Jungkook. This one is the second meaning, similar. So in maths, algebraic expression is the second meaning. You look similar. They are the same family, okay? So that is the meaning. So let's start. So question 1, which of the following pairs are like terms, okay? So I give you a challenge right now. I will be showing you the 10 questions. If you can get 10 out of 10 correct, please comment below, okay? So let me show you the question first. Alright, so I have question A all the way to J, alright? So let you try first and then let me know if you can get 10 out of 10 correct before I show you, of course. Alright, let's start. So let's do A, x and 2x, alright? These two are like term, they are similar, alright? So the first one is like term. They are similar. You can actually combine them, okay? Let's go towards B. Alright, x and minus x. So these two are again like term, okay? They are like terms, okay? So they are similar. Okay, let's go for C. X and y, alright? So this is unlike terms, okay? So they are unlike. They are different family. One is X family and the other one is Y family. Different. You cannot combine them, okay? So this is unlike terms. Okay, let's go for D. Alright, X and X squared. They are once again different. So these are unlike terms. Okay, different family, yeah? Just watch out. This one got square. This one doesn't have any square on top. Alright, let's look at E. AB and 3AB. What do you think? This one is like terms again, okay? So they are the same family. Like terms, okay? AB and 3AB can be combined to become 4AB. Remember that. Alright, let's go for F. AB and 3BA. Okay, I purposely reversed the question like E just now, but I write BA. So they are actually like terms also. AB and BA are the same family. They are like terms. Take note on this. Alright, so these are like terms. Let's go for G. Okay. Q square and Q power of 3 or Q cube. So these are unlike terms. Different family, yeah. One is square, one is cube. Different. You cannot combine them. So these are unlike terms. Okay, let's go for the last three. H a square b. Okay, we pronounce this as a square b, and the other one is b square a. Okay, so what are these? These are actually unlike terms. Okay, unlike terms. Now why? Let's look. So this one, the square falls beside a, so meaning to say that this is a square b. There are two a's. Okay, now for the other one, the square is just beside b. Okay, so b square, referring that there are two b. Alright, so they are totally different. Okay, now let's look at I. Negative 3d and negative 4d. This is like terms. Okay, like terms. Last one, J. Negative 2y square and 3y. This one is unlike terms. Okay, so they are unlike terms. Different family. Yeah, this one got y square and the other one is just y, so they cannot be combined together. And this is example 2. Okay, example 3. Simplify algebraic expression. So the question is, simplify the following algebraic expression. Okay, so the meaning of simplify here means you combine the like terms. Okay, so you combine like terms. Alright, so let's do question A. 3x plus 4x. Now they are the same family, you combine them. Okay, so what you will get is 7x. Okay, so that is the answer for A. Alright, slowly I will show you more examples. Let's look at B. 3y minus 4y. They are the like terms again, same family, combine them. So 3 minus 4, that will get you minus 1y. Okay, so that is the answer for B. Alright, let's go towards the complicated questions. Okay, let's look at C. Now it's very normal that simplify algebraic expression, there are a lot of terms. Now terms are this. So we have one term here, second term, third term, fourth term, and the fifth term. These are called terms. So how to simplify this one? Here's a tip. I suggest you to use pencil and stroke out those that you have already done. Okay, so let's show you. What I will do is, I will look for the x family. Alright, so I have here x. Then try to look for any other x family. Here, another one. Right, minus 4. And then here, another one, plus 6. Okay, so I'm gonna combine them. Right, so this is 1, 2, and 3. You can rewrite them one more time like this. Okay, so I'm gonna write x minus 4x and then plus 6x. Okay, then try to find the rest of it that we haven't done. I haven't do plus 3 and I haven't do plus 5. Okay, so I'm gonna copy it down over here. Plus 3 and then plus 5. Now from there, right, we are going to combine what we call simplify right now. So 1, this is 1, minus 4 plus 6. Okay, so you will see that this is actually 3x. Okay, and then 3 plus 5, focus on these two, 3 plus 5 will get you 8. Okay, that is the answer for question C. Alright, let's go towards question D. Okay, so again, one more time, you can use pencil to stroke out those that you have done. Alright, so let's show you again. So find the C family here, 1. Here another one, minus C. So I'm gonna write that 2 over here. Alright, so we write 2C and then minus C. Now find the rest of the family that we haven't done. Alright, so I haven't do minus 3D plus D. Okay, so I'm gonna do that right now. Okay, minus 3D plus D. Alright, now there's one more that I'm missing out. I haven't do plus 4. Can you see? I haven't do plus 4. So you copy back downward here, plus 4. Okay, now from here you combine the like terms together. Let's start. So 2C minus C, you will get C. Alright, so write C. Then minus 3D plus D, you will get minus 2D. Okay, and then finally number only, lonely, copy back, plus 4. Okay, and that's the answer for D. Alright, let's move on the last two. So pay attention. Right, E. So 4x minus y plus 3x squared plus y. Once again, you try to use pencil and try to find out those that you have already done. So let's find the x family first. So x family. Now, I cannot consider this as the x family because this is different. X squared is different. Follow example 1 again. So that's it. I couldn't do anything, then I'm going to copy back 4x. Next, try to find the y family. Okay, so I can see here y family and this one. So I'm going to copy these two. Minus y plus y. Okay, finally the x squared family, this one, copy back, plus 3x squared. Okay, now combine. Let's combine. So 4x cannot do anything, copy back. Minus y plus y, that's actually 0, so you don't have to write 0, leave it. Finally 3x squared, this is alone, copy back, plus 3x squared. Okay, notice that these two is actually cancelling off each other. Okay, so these two no need to write. So that's the answer for E. Okay, let's look at the last question, F. 2a plus 3b minus 5 plus 4a minus 3b plus 8. Wow, so many things to do. Don't be afraid, don't be scared. Just use pencil and cross out. Okay, so I am gonna do that. Okay, look for a family here. I can see plus 4a over here. That's it. So once you cannot find a family anymore, copy downward. So I'm gonna do that. 2a plus 4a. Now let's look for the next family, which is the b family. Okay, this one. So plus 3b, find any more. Okay, I can see here minus 3b. Don't forget with the minus over there. So plus 3b minus 3b. Okay, copy downward. Now let's look for the number only. I haven't do minus 5 and plus 8. Okay, so copy these two. Minus 5 plus 8. Now, the next line is the place where you need to simplify them. Let's start. So 2a plus 4a can combine because they are the like terms, become 6a, right? This is 6a. Now, next one. 3b minus 3b cancel off each other, okay? Plus 3 minus 3 cancel off each other, so it's 0. No need to write 0. Okay, now, focus on the last two, minus 5 plus 8. So that's how you get plus 3. Okay, plus 3. So that's it. This is the answer for the last question, okay? So that's it. So I hope you enjoy my lessons. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel if you're new. And I'll see you in the next class, okay? Bye-bye.